Traditional Malay medicine has a rich and storied heritage, blending ancient wisdom with a holistic approach to wellness and healing. At its core, traditional Malay medicine emphasizes the use of natural remedies, herbs, and spices to promote balance and address a wide range of health concerns. This holistic system views the body, mind, and spirit as interconnected, and seeks to treat the whole person, not just the symptoms. Many of the natural ingredients used in traditional Malay medicine, such as those depicted in the image, have been used for centuries to support overall well-being. By rediscovering this traditional knowledge, we can unlock the power of nature to enhance our health and quality of life. Malay traditional medicine takes a holistic approach, viewing health as a balance between physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Malay medicine has been shaped by a diverse range of influences, including indigenous practices as well as traditions from India, China, and the Arab world. The foundation of Malay medicine lies in the use of local medicinal plants, herbs, and natural ingredients to create herbal remedies. Rituals, chants, and spiritual practices play a crucial role in Malay healing approaches, reflecting the deep spiritual dimension of this tradition. Malay medicine has deep historical roots, drawing from ancient traditions like Ayurvedic medicine from India. Over centuries, interactions with Chinese traders and scholars also brought elements of traditional Chinese medicine into Malay healing practices. Indigenous Malay communities have long used native medicinal plants and herbs, accumulating extensive traditional knowledge about their properties and uses. Malay traditional medicine has deep connections to the ancient Ayurvedic healing system of India, incorporating concepts of balance and holistic wellness. Malay medicinal practices also show the influence of traditional Chinese medicine, with the use of herbs, acupuncture, and a focus on energy flow. Over centuries, Malay medicine has synthesized elements from diverse traditions, creating a unique and syncretic approach to health and healing. Malay medicine emphasizes living in harmony with nature, as practitioners believe good health comes from balance between the body, mind, and environment. Malay medicine takes a holistic approach, treating the whole person, not just symptoms, by considering physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Rather than just treating illness, Malay medicine focuses on prevention by promoting healthy lifestyles and strengthening the body's natural defenses. Malay medicine recognizes each individual as unique, so treatments are personalized to the patient's specific needs, constitution, and imbalances. The traditional Malay approach to health and wellness is holistic, recognizing the interconnectedness of the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of the individual. This comprehensive approach aims to restore balance and harmony within the body and mind, rather than just treating specific symptoms. The focus is on addressing the root causes of imbalance and disease, empowering individuals to take an active role in their own well-being. This holistic perspective is a key distinguishing feature of traditional Malay medicine. Traditional Malay medicine incorporates spiritual rituals and ceremonies to promote healing and balance. These include prayers, chanting, and invocations to connect with divine forces. Meditation, mindfulness, and other contemplative practices are used to align the mind, body, and spirit. Traditional healers may prescribe the use of sacred objects, amulets, and talismans believed to have protective or healing powers. These spiritual elements are deeply rooted in Malay culture and worldview, and play a central role in their approach to health and well-being. Malay traditional medicine has a rich history of using diverse medicinal plants and herbs. These natural remedies have been carefully selected and prepared based on centuries-old knowledge. Common herbs used include ginger, turmeric, lemongrass, and pennywort, each with unique therapeutic properties. Practitioners also incorporate rarer botanicals found in the Malaysian rainforests, harnessing their potent healing abilities. The vibrant medicinal plants displayed in the image represent the abundance and diversity of Malaysia's natural resources. Herbal remedies have been an integral part of traditional Malay medicine for centuries. It's important to source high-quality medicinal herbs from trusted local suppliers or grow them yourself in traditional gardens. Thoroughly cleaning and drying the herbs is crucial to preserve their potency and prevent contamination. Various extraction techniques like decoction, infusion, and tincture can be used to extract the active compounds from the herbs. Carefully measuring and mixing the herbal extracts ensures the appropriate dosage for each individual's needs. Malay traditional medicine has a rich history of intricate healing rituals and ceremonial practices. These sacred rites aim to restore balance, invoke spiritual forces, and facilitate healing for various ailments and life transitions. Curanderos or traditional healers often lead these ceremonies, which may involve chanting, herbal preparations, meditation, and the invocation of protective deities or ancestors. The rituals are designed to harness the power of nature, ancestral wisdom, and divine energies to promote holistic well-being. These practices have been passed down through generations and are deeply rooted in Malay cultural and spiritual traditions. Malay traditional healers, known as curanderos and bomos, use a combination of herbal remedies, spiritual practices, and intuition to treat various ailments. Curanderos are the traditional Malay healers who diagnose and treat patients using this holistic approach. Bomos are Malay shamans who serve as healers, spiritual advisors, and protectors in their communities. Drawing on ancient rituals and supernatural forces, traditional Malay healers view health from a holistic perspective, addressing the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being of their patients. The knowledge and skills of these traditional healers are often passed down through generations, with new healers learning through apprenticeships with experienced curanderos and bomos. Malay traditional healers use a holistic approach to diagnosis and treatment, examining the patient's pulse, tongue, and incorporating herbal remedies and spiritual practices. Pulse diagnosis is a key technique, as the rhythm, strength, and quality of the pulse are believed to reflect the body's internal balance. Tongue examination is also closely observed, as the color, coating, and movement of the tongue can provide insights into imbalances. Malay medicine utilizes a wide range of medicinal plants, each with unique properties to address specific ailments and restore harmony. Rituals, prayers, and the invocation of spiritual forces are integral to the diagnostic and treatment process, addressing the mind-body-spirit connection. This holistic approach aims to identify and address the root causes of the patient's condition, rather than just treating the symptoms. The concept of humoral imbalance is central to traditional Malay medicine. Malay tradition believes that health depends on the balance of four humors: blood, phlegm, yellow bile, and black bile. Imbalances in these humors can lead to illness and disease. Malay practitioners use natural remedies, dietary changes, and spiritual practices to restore humoral balance. This holistic integrative approach aims to address the root cause of imbalance, not just treat symptoms. The goal is to bring the four humors back into harmony to alleviate health issues. The central focus of Malay medicine is maintaining balance and harmony in all aspects of life. This involves carefully balancing opposing forces like hot/cold, wet/dry, and active/passive. Harmony with the natural world and its cycles is also crucial for promoting health and well-being. Spiritual practices like meditation, prayer, and rituals help cultivate inner peace and alignment with the divine. These principles of balance, harmony, and spirituality are fundamental to the Malay medical tradition. Malay traditional medicine is based on a wide variety of medicinal plants and herbs found in the region. These natural remedies offer significant therapeutic benefits, often reducing symptoms by as much as 90%. The holistic approach of Malay medicine aims to address the root causes of ailments, not just the symptoms. Treatment is very affordable, with an average cost of only $50 per session. This makes traditional Malay medicine an accessible and effective healthcare option for many people. Malay traditional medicine uses a variety of herbal remedies to treat common health issues. For respiratory problems like coughs and colds, plants like ginger, turmeric, and lemongrass are believed to have anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties. Digestive issues such as stomach pain, constipation, and diarrhea are often treated with herbal teas and tonics made from pegaga, kasip fatima, and tongkat ali. Muscle aches, joint stiffness, and arthritis are relieved through massage oils infused with camphor, menthol, and herbal extracts, as well as topical herbal poultices. Skin conditions like eczema, acne, and fungal infections are treated with natural remedies like neem, turmeric, and aloe vera, which are thought to have antimicrobial and soothing properties. The Malay traditional approach to medicine views mental health as deeply interconnected with physical, spiritual, and emotional well-being. Specific herbs and plant-based remedies are used to address imbalances and restore inner harmony. Ritual cleansing, meditation, and connection with spiritual forces are integral to Malay healing traditions for mental health issues. Traditional Malay healers work closely with the community, drawing on social connections and collective wisdom to support mental well-being. Malay traditional medicine has a long and rich history, with many effective practices that can complement modern healthcare. Establishing partnerships between traditional healers and medical practitioners is key to integrating these approaches. Research is crucial to validate the efficacy of Malay medicinal practices, building the evidence base for their integration. Developing regulatory frameworks will ensure the safe and ethical incorporation of traditional medicine into the healthcare system. By blending traditional and modern methods, we can provide patients with a more holistic and personalized approach to healthcare. This integrated approach has the potential to greatly benefit patients and improve overall health outcomes. Integrating traditional Malay medicine into modern healthcare systems poses regulatory challenges due to differences in safety standards and quality control. Some Western medical practitioners remain skeptical about the efficacy of traditional Malay remedies, citing a lack of rigorous clinical trials and scientific evidence. Ensuring the preservation of traditional Malay medicinal knowledge and practices in the face of globalization and modernization is an ongoing concern. The increased demand for certain medicinal plants and herbs has raised questions about the sustainable harvesting and cultivation of these natural resources. Malay traditional medicine and Western medicine share many common principles and approaches, which we can explore to find synergies. By combining the complementary aspects of these two medical traditions, we can create a more holistic and effective healthcare model for patients. It's important that we conduct rigorous, evidence-based research to scientifically validate the efficacy of Malay remedies and practices. We also need to develop clear regulatory frameworks to ensure the safe and ethical integration of Malay traditional medicine into mainstream healthcare. Integrating these two medical approaches can lead to significant benefits for patients by leveraging the strengths of both traditions. Traditional Malay medicine is subject to regulatory frameworks to ensure safety, quality, and efficacy of herbal remedies and practices. Rigorous testing and quality control measures are in place to validate the composition and potency of traditional Malay medicinal products. Policymakers work closely with traditional practitioners to develop guidelines that preserve the integrity of Malay medicine while ensuring it meets regulatory standards. Traditional Malay medicine emphasizes sustainable harvesting and cultivation of medicinal plants to preserve the ecosystem and ensure a continued supply of herbs. Responsible disposal of herbal waste and byproducts is crucial to minimizing environmental impact. Malay practitioners strive to minimize waste and promote green processing methods. The use of locally sourced ingredients and traditional production techniques results in a lower carbon footprint compared to mass-produced pharmaceuticals, aligning with the holistic and eco-friendly ethos of Malay medicine. Protecting the habitats and biodiversity of medicinal plants is a priority. Malay practitioners work to ensure sustainable wild harvesting and promote cultivation to prevent overexploitation. Traditional Malay medicine has gained increasing global recognition and appreciation in recent years. Its unique holistic approach, use of natural remedies, and time-honored healing practices have drawn the attention of the international medical community. Many traditional Malay treatments and therapies are now being studied for their potential therapeutic benefits, leading to a growing acceptance and integration with modern healthcare systems worldwide. The image shows traditional Malay medicinal products, like herbal remedies in glass bottles, as well as healthcare professionals examining medicinal plants, highlighting the global interest in these traditional practices. The Malay traditional medicine system recognizes the equal importance of men and women in healthcare practices. Many Malay midwives and traditional birth attendants, who are often women, play crucial roles in women's health and childbirth. Women often hold specialized knowledge of medicinal plants and their preparation, passed down through generations in Malay communities. This slide highlights the gender equality and the important roles of women in Malay traditional medicine. Malay traditional birth practices involve spiritual rituals and ceremonies to honor the mother and welcome the newborn. New mothers are cared for with specialized diets, herbal baths, and massage techniques to aid recovery and promote well-being. During the 40-day confinement period, the mother and baby are protected from outside influences and provided with traditional support. Extended family and the local community often play a central role in supporting the mother and child during this time. Traditional Malay medicine has been passed down through generations via oral storytelling and apprenticeship, with elders sharing their wisdom and experiences with younger generations. Over time, key knowledge and practices have also been documented in ancient manuscripts and texts, preserving this heritage in written form. Aspiring practitioners typically undergo intensive training, working closely with experienced curanderos and traditional healers to learn the intricacies of Malay medicine. This apprenticeship model ensures the continuous transmission of this valuable traditional knowledge to new generations of practitioners. The combination of oral traditions and written texts has allowed Malay medicinal practices to endure and evolve over centuries, maintaining their relevance and importance in the community. Traditional Malay medicine is deeply rooted in close-knit communities, where healing rituals and knowledge are passed down through generations. Elders play a crucial role in preserving and transmitting the wisdom of Malay medicine to younger community members, ensuring the continuity of this rich tradition. The practice of Malay medicine fosters a strong sense of community resilience, as members work together to maintain their traditional health practices and support one another's well-being. Malay medicine is seeking to integrate its holistic approaches with Western medicine, finding new ways to complement and enhance conventional treatments. Efforts are underway to document and safeguard traditional Malay medical knowledge, ensuring it is passed down to future generations and remains a vibrant part of the cultural heritage. Rigorous scientific research is being conducted to study the efficacy of Malay herbal remedies and healing practices, lending them greater credibility and acceptance in the modern medical landscape. As demand for Malay medicine grows, sustainable cultivation and harvesting of medicinal plants is crucial to protect the environment and ensure long-term availability of resources. Traditional Malay medicine is deeply rooted in our cultural heritage and holds immense significance for our community. Preserving this knowledge and integrating it with modern healthcare is crucial for maintaining our community's resilience and promoting holistic wellness. Malay medicine embraces a comprehensive view of health, addressing the mind, body, and spirit. This integrated approach can provide valuable insights for improving overall well-being and quality of life. Ongoing scientific research on the efficacy and safety of traditional Malay remedies can help validate their therapeutic benefits and promote their wider acceptance within mainstream medicine. As traditional Malay medicine gains global recognition, it can contribute to a greater understanding and appreciation of diverse healing modalities around the world, strengthening our connections and shared knowledge.